Hello guys, I've just got back in from work and look what I've got in the post. I ordered my hi River. I ordered my wedding planner in the Black Friday sale and it arrived today. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. So bear with me. So guys, this is the box. It's by a company called Lottie Louise Designs. It says let's start planning. So I haven't actually opened this yet, so let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, so let's start planning. So it looks like we've got a pencil, happily ever after. Let's start planning, and there's like a little leaflet in here, look, by her. And then this is the planner. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Let me open it up and I can show you guys. Here we go. Are you ready, guys? So we've got their brochure and everything. So we've got wedding date and all that. Guest numbers. Favorite Instagram account. Oh, that's awesome. Budget. So you can see like all the way down the side here. Guest list, the bride, outfit, stationery, decor, supplies, timeline, and extras. Oh, this is amazing. They really like thought through this. Wow. So you guys, I can't wait to start planning and stuff. We have actually started a few bits. We've booked our venue. And we've booked the accommodation for me and my bridal party. Next thing is the photographer. So yeah, we've booked quite a few bits so far. Hi River. River wants to say hello. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And River, yeah, more wedding stuff coming to you guys. So yeah, we're very excited. So I'll see you guys soon.